Hi everyone. Today we're going to be working on creating a few different variations of the Experience to Next Level system. This is a system that is incredibly ubiquitous. It's in almost every game that has been produced in the last 10 to 20 years easily. This shows up in RPGs as the main mechanic for like leveling systems that control how much more powerful a character gets. This shows up in first-person shooters and other games as part of the battle pass or as experience to unlock new cosmetics and equipment. This shows up in simulation games. This covers things like do your relationships with your NPCs in the game, as well as things like how your skills advance. And it's a really simple, basic bit of code to really get started. So what we're going to do here is we have Construct 3 open. I'm doing it here because this is a simple IDE. I'm using the free version, which is limited to 25 events, but we won't be needing more than that for this. So we're going to click New, create our new project. We'll call it Experience to Next Level Demo. And we can leave all the rest of these settings the same. That's fine. So now the first thing we'll come across here is we'll be on this blank page. So at its base, we really only need two variables: current experience, that's a number, can start at 0, and player level, which we will start at 1. Now that we have those two variables, we will add a group. We'll call this Experience to Next Level Code. And at its base, Experience to Next Level takes exactly one line of code. We're going to compare two variables, and if current experience is equal to or greater than, we'll say player level times 10, then do whatever stuff. This is an example of a linear experience to next level system. So for the sake of this, let's go ahead and we'll say add to player level. So now when experience is greater than player level times 10, it will add 1 to the player level, and we'll want to reset the experience. Subtract from current experience, player level times 10. We're doing it that way so that it doesn't just roll back to 0. We actually want this above, because if we add to the player level first and then subtract, it'll go to a negative experience amount. And that is the whole basic of an XPTNL system. We just need to add an event to increase our experience. So we'll just do an every X seconds, and we'll call it 0.5 system. Add to current experience 1. And now the last thing we need to do is create a couple of text objects. This will be player level text. And then we will have one for character experience. And I'm not making this look super nice, but when we come back to our event sheet and character experience text, we will set text. There is a convenient search function, character XP. And experience. And we'll just throw in some formatting here to make it look a little nicer. Right, and we can copy that up to here. And then we just need to do one more for the player level text. And now we have a fully functioning XPTNL system. As you can see, hopefully. So when the experience reaches an equal to or greater amount than the player level, times 10, it increases the player level. And that is the very basics of an XPTNL system. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope that this helps.